How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make holes in the Lychee Slicer. Now, unfortunately, you need to get their premium plans in order to do this. But the first thing that you want to do is to just click on the prepare option. In here, you then want to click on support. And on the side panel, there's going to be the hole option similar to this one. So as you can see now, it's just inside the objects. And then basically we have the support options in here. And on the other side, we then have the hole option. So just simply click on it. And basically it's going to be extremely simple. You want to click on the part of your model where you want to insert the hole itself. And basically from there, you have the option to adjust the diameter of that specific hole, and the same thing with the penetration. Now you could also make sure that object is a hole right here is turned on. Basically, if both objects are merged together, it will then convert that specific shape into a hole. Once again, extremely simple. Just click on the model itself after making sure that you are inside the hole option. So instead of basically adding supports, we are adding holes onto the object that we have right here. You can only do this if you availed their premium plans, and basically from there you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.